oh, yeah. It's one of them groove classics, y'all. Grab your shorty, hit the bar, follow your car and get ready. Come here, lady.
Lady, hear me tonight, 'cause my feeling is just so right. As we dance by the moonlight, can't you see you're my delight? Lady, I just feel like I won't get you out of my mind. I feel love for the first time, and I know that it's true. I can tell by the look in your eyes.
Miss Lady, I hope that you're listening. Looking like an angel, except your wings missing. I gotta think with you, drive me crazy. Weak, you get lost and skate off to my place. Wait, you got that look in your eyes. Is it deja vu? 'Cause I swear I know you. Love at first sight, fell in love first night. And I love how your body look by the moonlight. Got me love struck and it ain't even a first date. Cupid must have shot me with an AK. Hey, okay, you ain't gotta play fair. Ask me a hello, so let's get about a head. Where till you asking, I don't know. We got a love thing going, baby, let that flow, let that go. And I know right now it sounds crazy, but since the moment I met you, I knew you were my
lady. Hear me tonight, 'cause my feeling is just so right. As we dance by the moonlight, can't you see you're my delight? Lady, I just feel like I won't get you out of my mind. I feel love for the first time, and I know that it's true. I can tell by the look in your eyes.
Sex will make you impressed, but my test is to make you feel best. Forget about the rest, 'cause I'm obsessed. Saying yes to the way you're dressed, I must confess. Lady, you're rolling with the best. Yes, I see you. Peep you like a movie preview, look for the sequel. Jeans painted on top, looking like a see-through. Body will like somebody with Bacardi on you. I'm scoping, you got me open. Stop smoking so it ain't the drove kid, man. I ain't even get to hit the bar, but I'm ready to get my car from valet. Shot Juba Glenn, she shot from my way. And next thing I know, we speeding on the highway. Private after party room 158. You can bring a friend, but she better not be late.
Lady,